Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Madam Glam PR package here. This is their November collection. It's called House of Giving and it launches today, November 1st. Yes, I'm so excited. I have no idea what the colors are. I haven't even looked in here. The box was already open like this when I got it, you know, just a little bit. So, but yeah, I haven't even peeked in. Oops, there I go with the cuticle oil again. I always do that. All right, so yes, first we're going to look at the box. Madam Glam. Whatever a VIP wants, a VIP gets always 50% off. I am a VIP member. $29 a month. You get 50% off all the gels and free shipping for US. It's an amazing program. You can let the credits build up, which I've been doing over the past couple months, so that way for Black Friday I can, you know, spend a lot. So yeah, I've been saving up my credits. It's just an amazing program. Definitely recommend it. They are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and HEMA-free. And then of course their website and all their socials. So yes, I'm so excited for this collection. Like I said, I have no clue, so this is the first time I'm gonna see them too. So, oh my goodness. I just love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, the little top came off of this one. Oh, this is pretty. I love their nude, like their nude colors. Autumn Aura. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get these all out. All right, so definitely fall autumn colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's see. So yes, I did receive the whole collection. There is 8 colors here. I want to start with the lightest one first. This one is called Milky Way, and it looks like a, let's see, it looks like a white, but then the sticker has like a green, so maybe it is a little bit of a, well, we'll see when we swatch it, but it does look pretty white. It could just have a very slight hint of green. Yeah, these are pretty warm. It's been in the 90s here, like 97 still here in California, and I literally just got this out of the mailbox, so they're pretty warm, so they're kind of runny right now. I'm excited for this. Like I said, I love their nude, like Beantown is one of my favorites. So Autumn Aura. Oops. Yeah, they do swatch them on the top, but I still like to have my little swatches. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's got like a pinkish tint to it. Oh, I think this might be my new favorite nude. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. This one is beautiful. Astro Pie. Looks like a beautiful like pumpkin pie color. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, how beautiful. And then this beautiful green. I've been loving greens lately. When I was little, green was my favorite color, and I'm slowly really beginning to like green. I have a lot of their green shades. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look at this, how pretty. Oh my goodness. This one is Divine Glam. Looks like a, on here it kind of looks like a mauve. Or like a raisin. I think you call it like a raisin. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Let's look at this gorgeous purple. Purple Era. Oh, geez, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this freaking purple. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, I'm telling you, they never disappoint. Every collection has just been absolutely amazing. Astral Projection. Look at this. Oh, look how beautiful this color is. Oh, it's stunning blue. Oh my goodness. And then this looks like a teal. Oh, Scorpio Season. Oh yeah, this is very pretty. I love teals. I don't want it to drip. Look at that, how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into the set here. I already put my tips on here. And then I did apply my base coat and I cured the nails for 30 seconds. Now we're going in with Autumn Aura. And we're going to be putting that on all of the fingers except for the ring finger. We're going to be using Astro Pie for that one. I don't know if you can guess because it's a like an almond stiletto shape. We're going to be making a pumpkin pie nail. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with the Autumn Aura and we're going to go in and do 2 coats on all of the nails except for the ring finger, and then we're going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. This is a very pretty color. It's like a peachy nude. It's got more of a peach undertone to it. It's really, really pretty. Perfect for autumn. And so now we're going to go in with Astro Pie. It's this beautiful orange. It is exactly, it looks like pumpkin pie, like the filling. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this, and then we're going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. And so here we have all the 2 coats of each color on there. And now we're going to go in with the Velvet Matte top coat on all the nails except for the ring finger. The ring finger I'm going to keep glossy. And so now we're going to go in with Milky Way, which is this, I don't know, it's a white, but it's like an off-white. It's an off-white, and I'm going to go ahead and do some like whipped cream around the cuticle area of the pumpkin pie. So I'm just going to lay down a layer first, kind of jaggedy, you know, kind of to look like whipped cream, and then you'll see how I try to create, you know, some little like 3D little whipped cream. But yeah, this color is really nice. I mean, it's not like a bright white, like I said, it's more like an off-white. The bottle shows it's like a light green. I don't know. To me, it's like a off-white, but it's really nice. Like I said, if you like, for a lot of things, you don't want like a super bright white. It's like the perfect off-white. So yeah, what I do is I already cured that first white layer. Now I'm going to go in with a dotting tool, and I'm going to be putting down a little dot, and then I lift the dot, I lift the polish up and cure it so it sticks up. So it's going to be sticking out like it would be like whipped cream, how you put it, you know, on top of the pie. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that all along the nail there on the white part. It didn't come out exactly perfect, but I mean, it looked pretty cool, and you can feel it too. It's real textured, like it's sticking up. So yeah, I liked how it came out. And so yeah, what I'm doing is I'm just taking that polish and lifting it up, and then it cures it sticking up. So all right, that's my little pumpkin pie with the little whipped cream. You can see it sticking up there. And so now we're going to go in with Pure Nature, and I'm going to be doing some, all the rest of the nails are going to have Frenchies. So yeah, I already did the pinky, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you the middle finger. Because yeah, I'm not the best at Frenchies at all. I'm pretty new to doing them. I mean, this way, you know, back in the day, I don't know, back in the day I used to use the little white, you know, little tape that you put on there and stuff. But yeah, I've been trying to do like how everyone's doing it nowadays with the brush. I don't go too far down. And then I'm just filling it in, and then I'll go in with a cleanup brush and just fix my smile line. But yeah, this color is so pretty. It is a very, very pretty green. I mean, perfect for Thanksgiving, fall, just, oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. And then I did end up doing 2 coats of the green. And so yeah, now I'm just taking my little cleanup brush and just fixing my smile line here. I'm just using alcohol to clean up the smile line. All right, so I already did apply the all the nails, or all the French, all the Frenchies. And then I did apply matte top coat. I just didn't show that. But yeah, I'm going to go in with this really pretty Divine Glam. We're going to do a plaid design just on the French part. And then that glittery one is from, gosh, I believe it's I think it was the February collection. The House of Love, I believe. I had to add a little bit of glitter in there. So I'm taking Milky Way, which is the off-white. And I'm going to be doing a thick line going down, and then we'll be doing a thick line going across. I've looked at different pictures of plaids, and I mean, there's so many ways that people do them. Do a thick line, then some little lines. I don't know. I don't know if it exactly looks like plaid, but I really like the way they came out, and all the nails are going to be exactly, I'm doing the same pattern, so I just show one nail because it's all the same. Like, I'm doing the exact same thing on every nail. So yeah, I'm just making these lines with the white, making a thick line down and then a thick line across, kind of towards the top of the French there. And then I'll just fill that in, and then we're going to cure that. All right, so I already cured the Milky Way, that off-white color. Now I'm going in with Divine Glam. This is a beautiful, it's a brown, but it's got a very slight purple hue to it. It's very, very pretty. I've never seen a brown. It's kind of hard to tell on here, but it's just such a pretty brown. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to go and I'm outlining the off-white lines there. So I'm just going to be outlining those with that color. And then I am curing pretty much after every line because I'm still working on my nail art. So yeah, I've got to cure it in case if I mess up, I don't want to have to start all over again. But yeah, it totally makes a difference if you have good brushes. This brush here is from Joss Love. They sent me those brushes, oh geez, I think it was last year. Yeah, it had to be last year. And I got them out again, and yeah, I'm really liking these, their brushes. So yeah, if you have a good brush, it totally makes a difference. And then I believe this is the gold. Yeah, I have the palette up there because the light reflects off of it and it kind of blinds, in the camera. So yeah, I'm just going to take the gold here. It's like a rose gold, and I'm just going to be putting a line down the middle of that white line and then just off to the side. I should have did it going across. I didn't do that. I don't know why I didn't do that going across, but you know, to do another one going across inside of the white, but it's fine. So yeah, I had to add a little bit of glitter in there. And then the last thing, I'm taking the Astro Pie and I'm just going to make a line kind of in the middle of the nail and then going across the bottom. And then that's it. That's how I'm doing my little plaid design. I wanted to try to incorporate, you know, as many colors as I could. The blues and the purple. The other purple I'll definitely be doing. I want to try to do another, maybe another plaid or like the patchwork with those colors because they're just so pretty. So yeah, I decided it looked too plain just with the French, and then you can see the lines, you know, from the plaid. So I'm just taking Astro Pie, the orange, and I'm just outlining the French with that just to add, I don't know, to me it just added something else than it just being plain there. So, but yeah, I like the way it came out. And so yes, this is them all finished here. Like I said, all the same design I was going for. Pretty easy. Like I said, I want to try to work on them more and add a little bit, I don't know, just how they do like the tiny little squares in there that look lighter. I don't know, just try to do it different. But now I'm going to be applying some matte top coat. I decided to do, of course, keep the nails matte. And then I do want to put this maple leaf charm, or it could be a different kind of leaf, but I'm using it as a maple leaf. But yeah, it's just gold and it has some little rhinestones on it. So I was like, I was just missing something. I was going to do stickers and stamping, you know, and stuff, but I'm going to save that for another time. I want to do like little fall animals and stuff, but I just like the plaid so much. I think it would just be too much if you had stickers and stuff. I kind of wanted the plaid to stand out more. So yeah, just going to go ahead and give that a cure. All right, and this is the finished set here. I like the way they came out. I love the plaid, you know, my take on plaid, I guess. The little pumpkin pie nail. So yeah, thank you so much, Madam Glam. These colors are just absolutely perfect for Thanksgiving and fall, even into winter. So yes, I do have a discount code. I'm going to put everything down in the description box. And again, thank you so much, Madam Glam. I appreciate it. You guys have just been wonderful to work with. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.